what's up guys, it's Liu Kang, and here with my cute little plush toys. So I've been deciding these are so fun to play with. Why don't I make a series of them doing weird things around? And so I'm going to show you the characters that will be inside this. And Jolie, if you're watching this, you'll like them. You like the Angry Birds. You see, you like the Angry Birds. The Angry Birds. Ooh. Nice, all of them. And with a few of my extra plush toys. Yeah, of course. So starting off, we have the red bird. His name is Red. Yep, his name is Red. He's cute. He gets angry a lot, and he is 6 years old. And these are his two brothers. This is Speedy. Yeah, this is Speedy. The yellow bird, very fast. He's named for his speed in the game, and he's 6 also. So, and this is another one of Red's brother. It's Blue. It's Bluey. Yeah, it's Bluey, and he's known for his skill to split into 3 in the game. So let's go. There are all 3 brothers. It's nice. So 1, 2, 3. 6 years old, 6 years old, 6 years old. Now this bird, well, you may think this is another kind of bird, but it's actually an Angry Bird from Rio. See? Angry Birds Rio. There's a movie about it too. So yeah, he's slightly older than them. He's 7. This is Boomerang bird. His name is Boomerang. He's known for his. He's called Boomerang. His name known for his flipping backwards in the game. Yep. He's 9 years old. This is the Angry Birds brothers, big brother. This is Bombard. His ability in the game is to explode. Yep. And cause great mass of destruction. Okay, let me continue. You may not be familiar with him, but he's Puff. Yep, he's Puff. I name him Puff. He's an orange bird. He is also 6 years old. Yep, he's an orange bird. And in the game, he puffs up into a big inflated ball. Puffness. So it's cool. Cool. And this is Grumpy, the big bird. The big bird. He is 10 years old. He's 10 years old. Yeah. And in the game, he's known for his big, heavy size, and can cause mass destruction, except not exploding, because he's really big, right? And so he knocks down most of them. And here are the enemies that are going to be in the series, I guess. This is a flying pig. His name is Henry. This is Henry. Yep, he is Henry. I don't really want to give the age, cause come on, I don't know, man. And this is Penny. Penny. Yep. He's the old classic type. And these are gonna be extra features in my this is gonna be some extra features in my series. This is bought from the Singapore Zoo. His name is Silver. He's 5 years old. He's so cute. Yep. He's going to be in the show too. And finally, this is my best. This is my favorite plush toy or bedtime toy. He's been with me around 2 years and above, 2 years plus. Yeah, his name is Froggy, the green frog. And he's 10 years old, like a Bomber and a Grumpy. So, yep, he's 10 years old, and he's gonna be the very cool character in the what's it called, series, because he is gonna build. Because spoiler alert, he's building a remote control truck. Shh. So anyway, yeah, that's it for my introduction. So remember to like and subscribe if you like this team of characters, and if you want this intro to develop into a really good series, definitely like a lot and subscribe to my channel to see other videos I made, of course, but I don't really record that much homework and I'm making stuff. But yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.